a piece of paper that will never decide your future, and it will never give you happiness or sadness. But a thing, if you gain once, you can do whatever you want to do. You can visit, you can go. Do you know what I'm talking about? Good evening, sir. Good evening, all of you. Thank you, sir, for giving me this golden opportunity to present myself. Well, my name is Pratibha Singh. My today's topic is health or wealth. First question that comes in our mind that is, what is health? Health is a thing that if we gain once, we can do whatever we want to do. We can go without any ill or health issues. If we want to maybe be a fitter person in our society, friends, colleagues, so we should take a lot of steps. That first step is that we should balance our diet, because if once we will balance our diet, our health will also go. And what is wealth? Wealth is not about to earn a lot of money. Wealth is about to have a beautiful life and live beautiful life with happiness and peaceful. Wealth is useful in our many works, like if we have to if we want to eat something but we don't want to cook, so we can order it. It will come in 10 minutes via some apps, that is Swiggy, Smart, Zepto, and etc. apps. And what is disadvantages of wealth? Wealth if we don't have a lot of wealth but we don't have good health, so we will not survive for a long period of time. We will die soon. If you have not good health but you have good wealth, some people will think that if I have good wealth, so I can make my good wealth. But it might your boss will say your boss will reject you because he wants fit person, not lazy persons. What is what is now one question will come in your mind that if I don't have good health, so how I can get good wealth, or if I have, how can I earn good wealth? So let me tell you, there is a many steps that should be taken by you to make your good health. That is, first, you should manage wealth and health equally, because we should not do like my wealth should be upper than my health. We should not do this, because both are equal, both are important in our life. And if you want to earn a lot of money but your health is also not good, so you can go to any small job and do their job for 1 or 2 months and get some money, and spend half money on your health and half money on bigger things, unused things. Then after, once your health will be good in 1 year, so you can do whatever you want to, then you can spend your money in in your dreams, in your family dreams, or your colleagues dreams. And there's one more thing that is damaging us from inside, that is making us whole from inside, but we don't know how it is damaging us. No one is seeing that, no one is feeling that. Everyone is doing, but no one think that I'm doing it. That is uses of mobile phone in late night. Mobile phone is damaging us from inside. It is making us whole from inside, because when we use a lot of phone in our late night or 24 hours, then our eyes get weak, our hearing hearing power get low, and we could not able to hear properly or see properly. We have to wear glasses. Some children read study a lot in late night, they also get glasses. Their eyes is not getting relaxed for a second. And what there's going on two disease that is damaging all people who are under 40. That is, there's two disease, that is heart attack and brain attack. Heart attack is when you get heart attack when your heart do not, when you do a lot of work and your blood do not get water, because some people do a lot of work whole day and they do not drink water sometime. They leave themselves for 2 hours or 3 hours, then their blood do not get that much water, and then their heart do not get that much blood to pump, then they get heart attack. So what is, how we get brain attack? we get brain attack when we get a lot of stress in our brain, like family stress, office stress, and a lot of stress. Stress is also damaging us. We should not take a lot of stress, because when we take a lot of stress, and then we get brain attack. My last opinion is that we should operate phone for some time, and we should manage our health and wealth equally, because health is wealth. Wealth is not health. For making your good health, you should wake up early in morning and go to park, because if you will go early in park, so your brain will and do exercise in park, so your brain will not get that much of stress. You will be stress without stress person, because when you do meditation and extra type of yogas exercise, your brain get relaxed that time. And do you think why city peoples do not alive for long period of time than villager people's time life part? Because life we should villager people maintain their timetable according according to their health, because if you're so weak, you should do a lot of work to make your good health, like you should go early in park, you should do hard work, you should not do that, you should not give your brain that much of stress. But what do city people do? They never focus on their health. Some village city people focus, but not all, because everyone thinks that everyone thinks that what will happen if we will not focus on our health for 1 year, but for one day if you will not focus on your health, so your health will so weak. Some people are greedy. They send their children for child labor because of money. Money make people to do a lot of work. In child labor, children do work under someone or their parents. Child labor is parents give their child parents stress them on their children to do child labor, and like some one child do not have their parents, so his uncle or auntie stress on him to do child labor, because when children do child labor, they get a lot of money to spend, because they are greedy person only can send their children to do, because some people think that children are god, but greedy person don't focus. They focus on wealth, they never think about their children's health. And the children also don't like, if a person is stressing on the child to do child labor, then when that child become elder, then that child do same thing that that person do on him when he was kid. That's why we should not focus on force on any child health, because health is a thing, if it get damaged once, so you can be die any time, because that never come by telling you. That's all of my topic. Today you have been a great audience. Thank you for your kind attention.